wealth is spread to everyone. So wealth should not be a preserve of a few. Everybody should be able to afford a decent lifestyle, and that includes the youth. So we have products that serve the youth in terms of their value, the value in terms of the monetary value. So we have a very affordable products. And I'm a wife, I'm a mother, and I'm a mentor. So that's
Mm.
basically who I am, Shaq. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, yeah, that's amazing. Maybe we can touch more about the money market because I think not so many young entrepreneurs know about money market and what is the importance of entrepreneurs putting their money in the bank as compared to putting it in a money market.
Yeah, that's a very good question. Yeah, so basically the difference between having your money in the bank and having your money in a money market is that when you put your money in the bank, that is essentially saving. And when you save, it means the value of that money is not likely to grow because the amount is available to you on demand. You can get it anytime you want it. And it attracts a very minimal interest. And in most cases, you find that when you put your money in the bank, you'll also pay the bank charges. So you end up actually having slightly less or just the same amount. And when you factor in issues of inflation, you end up actually having a lower value than you had before. But when it comes to money market, which is an investment vehicle, this means that you give your money to a fund where a lot of money is collected for many people, and this money is able to be invested in assets that have good returns, which as an individual you'd not be in a position to buy that. So money market fund is all about investing, and this means making your wealth grow, making your money work for you. So I'd encourage
Mm.
entrepreneurs, if you have when you want to manage your liquidity, don't put the money in the bank, just put the money in the money market. If you still have to put it in the money market, please have an arrangement in terms of a fixed deposit that has fairly good terms or competitive terms. Yeah, thank you.
Mm. Yeah, yeah. We'll actually put a picture of Lofty on because also for me, I've seen Lofty has been ranked in the top 10 money markets in Kenya. And it's just that I didn't know the best
I
time
was
to
part of
invest in
it.
them.
Yeah,
Yeah, but I've seen their top 10. So we're going to put a
yeah, we
picture there
do.
so that also other people can go and invest with Lofty and see their money actually